Your community project needs to be added on Mangebac the same as your service as action. You'll see at the top of the page, a community projects page, and everything that you need for your community project can be found here. Okay, you can add information here through project documents. Okay, just like adding a service as action activity, you can edit community project worksheet. You will also find the tab where you can add your journals. Okay, they can be written, it can be a website, a video, photos, or other media at this point. You will also be assessed on your community project here on the 4 different criteria of investigating, planning, taking action, and reflecting. Okay, your supervisors will also give you comments and feedback on your project when it comes to your final assessment after the 10th of May. On this page you also have the Academic Honesty tab, and this is where you will upload the Academic Honesty form that you fill in each time you meet with your supervisor. If we have a look at the worksheet and what it looks like, it's very similar to the services action page. You're adding your topic, okay, so what your community project is, the goal that you're trying to achieve, what is the need, and the community partner that you're doing this for. The difference now is instead of selecting a learning outcome, you will select one of the global contexts. You've covered these in your lessons within the MYP framework, but there's also more information on our Services Action website. And then you will fill in the type of action. So is it direct service, indirect service, advocacy, or research? It's also important that you select the correct supervisor. Once you've done all this, you can save it and go back and edit it whenever you need to. We will have an assembly to cover more of this in January, but if you have any questions, please do not hesitate to contact me.